What is up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the Cr250 build. So today we're going to be putting in the subframe with the airbox, and we're going to do some sandblasting today. Let's get into this video. So basically there's only one bolt right here and 2 bolts on the side, and then 2 bolts that hold the airbox right here on the side, and that should be it. So I managed to put in the subframe with the airbox. So right now I'll be sandblasting this spring, getting it ready for powder coating. Hey guys, so look at this rear shock spring. Turned out really great. So right now I'll be wire brushing this rear rim, getting it ready for powder coating. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I managed to clean the whole rear rim. Just didn't have enough wire wheel to clean the inside of it where the inner tube goes, but it looks great. Alright guys, so it got late on us, so I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow in the morning. See you. Alright guys, so I'm going to be cleaning this up and polishing it. This FMF exhaust. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I cleaned it all up. Now it's all ready for polishing. Let's get to it. Look how it turned out. Looks perfect. Almost like brand new. Looks clean. I'm gonna take a little break to rip these bikes. Let's get this buddy.
Well, it's cold. Never been started.
Ready? Ready, John. This one's gonna start.
That was junk. Watch. First kick.
I'm sorry, I don't take pictures
First
of
kick
video.
machine right here. 2-stroke. Guys, so we're going to be cleaning these parts and installing them right now. Let's get to it. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for this video. I managed to put in that coil. Hopefully by the next video I can put some installation in that exhaust that I polished. If you sure enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. See ya.